You're being lied to at the pump. There are fuel additives out there that could save your engine, and others that might wreck it. But here's what mechanics don't want you to know, because if you knew these 13 powerful additives, you might never step foot in their shop again. So smash that subscribe button and stick around till the end, because number 11 might just be the cheapest fix for your rough idle problems you've ever seen. Number 1. Techron Concentrate Plus, the Carbon Slayer. This additive by Chevron is a favorite among real car pros. Techron is a polyethylamine-based PEA cleaner that works miracles inside your fuel system. It removes stubborn carbon buildup on intake valves, fuel injectors, and combustion chambers. Unlike cheaper additives that mask symptoms, Techron targets the root problem: dirty fuel delivery. It's especially valuable for cars that have been using low-grade fuel or are experiencing poor fuel economy. Mechanics often use it as a secret weapon during tune-ups, but won't tell you so they can charge for a cleaning service instead. Use it every 3,000 miles and you'll likely notice smoother idle, better MPG, and quicker cold starts. But Techron is just the beginning. What if your diesel engine is gasping for life? The next additive brings it roaring back. Number 2. Stanadyne Performance Formula, diesel's best friend. If you own a diesel engine and you're not using Stanadyne, you're missing out. Unlike generic diesel additives, this one is approved by Ford, GM, and even John Deere. It boosts cetane for better combustion, cleans injectors, and lubricates your high-pressure fuel system. Especially critical if you're using low-sulfur diesel, which has almost no natural lubricants. Mechanics know that a dry fuel system is a recipe for expensive injector failure. Stanadyne protects those 1,000-plus injectors while improving cold starts and power. Regular use can extend engine life significantly. But what if your engine is already knocking and losing power? The next additive fixes that, and it's dirt cheap. Number 3. Seafoam Motor Treatment, the multi-purpose miracle. Seafoam has a cult following for a reason. You can add it to your fuel, oil, or even vacuum lines. When used in fuel, it cleans injectors, carb jets, and intake valves. But what makes it special is its versatility. Mechanics often use seafoam to quiet down noisy lifters or to degunk sludged-up internals. One can cost under $10, but the results can feel like a full tune-up. Mechanics don't mention it because they'd rather charge you for diagnostics, fuel system cleanings, and oil flushes, all of which seafoam might fix on its own. Next up, an additive that mechanics really want to keep secret, because it literally replaces $300 fuel injector cleaning sessions. Number 4. Royal Purple Max Clean, dyno-tested power boost. Royal Purple's Max Clean isn't just a fuel system cleaner. It's been dyno-tested to increase horsepower and fuel economy. Independent studies show up to 3.2% HP gain and 5.1% MPG improvement. It removes carbon, restores injector spray patterns, and helps reduce engine knock. What mechanics hate most? It's ridiculously effective in high-performance engines and turbocharged systems, which means fewer repair visits and better throttle response for you. And now, the best-kept additive secret for hybrid drivers, and it's under $5. Number 5. Gumout Regain High Mileage, Hybrid Lifesaver. Hybrid engines face a unique problem: short trips and idle heavy driving that encourage carbon buildup. Gumout Regain's high mileage formula contains high levels of PEA, which is essential for deep cleaning. It's specially made for cars with over 75,000 miles, but works wonders even earlier. It reduces hesitation, improves MPG, and restores power. Mechanics rarely suggest it because most people with hybrids assume they're maintenance-free and don't know they need additives at all. The next additive will literally save your fuel pump from burning out, and it costs less than a coffee. Number 6. Lucas Upper Cylinder Lubricant, the Fuel Pump Protector. Today's fuel lacks the lubricity older engines need. Lucas Oil's upper cylinder lubricant helps fix that. It reduces wear in the fuel pump and injectors while increasing power. Mechanics know that a failed fuel pump can cost $600 to $1,200 and often start failing due to excessive dry friction. Lucas creates a protective film that drastically reduces this risk, especially on high-mileage vehicles. Use it regularly, and you might double the life of your fuel pump. Let's jump into the fuel additive that could fix your rough idle in under 5 minutes. Number 7. Redline SI1 Injector Reviver. This is one of the strongest PE cleaners available on the consumer market, with over 30% PE concentration. Most additives hover around 3 to 5%. Redline SI1 is a powerhouse for neglected engines. It can restore fuel economy, reduce pinging, and eliminate cold start roughness. Mechanics use it to rejuvenate older engines before selling them, because it makes even beat-up engines feel smooth again. If your idle is rough or your engine vibrates, try this before spending hundreds on injector cleaning. The next one might surprise you. It's designed to fight ethanol damage. Number 8. Tron Enzyme Fuel Treatment Ethanol Killer. If you use E10 or E15 fuel, ethanol can wreak havoc on your system. It attracts water, causes phase separation, and destroys fuel lines over time. Tron's enzyme-based formula stabilizes ethanol blends, disperses water, and keeps fuel fresh for months. Mechanics rarely bring this up, but ethanol-related issues are a goldmine for repair shops. Tron is a must-have if you store your vehicle or use it infrequently. This next additive might just double the life of your turbocharger. Number 9. Liqui Moly Tron. The German precision cleaner, made in Germany, Liqui Moly Tron is a high-quality cleaner specifically made for direct injection systems, which are more prone to carbon buildup. It helps reduce fuel consumption, improves injector spray pattern, and restores lost performance. For turbocharged engines, this is a must. It reduces the carbon stress that often leads to premature turbo failure. Mechanics rarely mention this, because most people don't know how vulnerable their GDI or turbocharged engines are. Think fuel additives can't stop engine knock? The next one proves that wrong. Number 10. Royal Purple Octane Booster Knock Eliminator. If your engine pings or knocks, it's often due to low octane fuel or carbon buildup increasing cylinder pressure. Royal Purple's Octane Booster increases octane by up to 30 points, eliminating knock and improving performance. Mechanics will often tell you to just switch to premium fuel, but that's a recurring cost. This additive is a short-term fix and a cleaner in one, and far cheaper than replacing knock sensors or pistons damaged from pre-ignition. Now let's expose the additive that prevents one of the most expensive failures, injector burnout. Number 11. BG44K. Dealership-only secret. This isn't sold at Walmart. BG44K is the go-to additive used inside dealerships during fuel system services. It costs around $30 to $40, but many dealerships charge $150 plus for using it in a professional service. It's ultra-concentrated and incredibly effective at cleaning the entire fuel system, especially helpful on high mileage or performance vehicles. Using it directly in the tank can prevent injector clogs and keep combustion efficient, meaning less wear and tear on your engine. Ever wonder how taxis get to 500,000 miles? This next additive might be part of the secret. Number 12. Marvel Mystery Oil. The forgotten classic. Don't let the name fool you. This product has been used since the 1920s and is still effective today. Marvel Mystery Oil can be added to both oil and fuel. In fuel, it acts as a cleaner and lubricator, reducing carbon buildup and improving atomization. In oil, it helps free sticky lifters. Mechanics often dismiss it as snake oil, but veteran drivers, especially fleet operators, swear by its results over hundreds of thousands of miles. Last but not least, the only additive you should always keep in your glove box. Number 13. Stanadyne 360 Protection Storage Saver. If you park your car for weeks at a time or store it over winter, fuel degradation becomes a serious issue. Stanadyne 360 prevents oxidation, stabilizes fuel, and even coats the fuel system to protect against corrosion. Mechanics make a killing on storage-related issues like rusted fuel lines or gummed-up carbs. Use this, and your car will start like new even after months of storage. There you have it. 13 fuel additives that could save you hundreds or even thousands in repair bills. And now you know the secrets that mechanics don't want you to hear. Hit like if you learned something new. Tell us in the comments, which of these have you used before? And don't forget to subscribe to Car Care Expert. We bring you real car care hacks that save money, time, and stress. Remember, a $10 additive today could stop a $1,000 repair tomorrow.